Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix auto dubbing when it's not working on YouTube videos using your Windows PC. First, open youtube.com in your browser and play the video that is having dubbing issues. Then, click the settings icon on the video player and select audio or subtitles/CC depending on what's available. Then, if auto dubbing is not active, make sure auto dubbing is turned on and your preferred language is selected. After that, try refreshing the video or clearing your browser cache. This often resolves temporary glitches. Finally, if the problem persists, check that your browser is updated to the latest version and restart it. The auto dubbing should work now properly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.